Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Fern Park local and long-distance movers near me. For your prompt local relocation with Fern Park, collaborate with 3 Movers for a hitch-free experience. When navigating the streets and terrains of Fern Park, the 3 Movers team stands ready to make your relocation swift as a breeze. They are licensed local operating movers with well-trained professional staff to assist with relocations. They are experts in ensuring all local relocations are seamless without any damage to the goods. Local moving is within 100 miles of the city, and 3 Movers team has cost-effective prices and charges per hour. They will handle the most tedious aspect of your move, packing, ensuring that your belongings are packed, boxed, and conveyed. 3 Movers are acquainted with the city's terrain, so they can facilitate local relocation promptly and provide helpful tips about your chosen city. The weight of stress and the workload can feel insurmountable, which is quite understandable considering the prospect of relocation. You don't need to feel drained at this crossroads. Fern Park has efficient and proven long-distance movers to handle your relocation and ensure that you do not strain the process. They provide storage facilities for your belongings when they arrive at your new destination in your absence. These facilities will ensure they are preserved and do not incur any damage. 3 Movers will provide a quote for a long-distance move that encapsulates the estimated distance you are embarking on and the number of your belongings. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Fern Park moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.